Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I just got my first package to the second part of my nail charm haul. So these are both 50 each. And then stickers, which is so cool because I collect them. I used to do like planner stuff where I used to put stickers and stuff in it, but I don't have it anymore. I will have these links down below. So once I get them out, I'm going to show you each bag. So this is everything in the first bag. Here's a close-up of everything. I used to have a bunch of these mints, and I don't know what happened to them. So I'm wondering if they got thrown in the trash. Because my youngest was like 4 when I had gotten these before, and I think her older sister might have thrown, one of her older siblings threw them in the trash thinking it was candy. But here's an overview of it. I like these. These are nice for Christmas. These look like chocolate donuts. Okay, these look like chocolate donuts, but like the rest of these right here, it looks like cereal. This, I don't know what that is. But I used to have a bunch of these. I don't know what I did with them. That's a little messed up. It's fine. I'll just put like top coat on it. Got a pretzel. I think that's a wreath or a donut. I have no clue. This one has a little face with it's like 2 eyes and a flower. These are wings. And then the chocolate hearts. These are the stickers. These are the stickers that came in it. A little Hello Kitty one. What does that say? Something Valentine's. They're really cute. So I'm gonna open up the second pack and compare them. So here's the other pack of stickers. I think I like this one more because it's food. I like food, so here's the other set to it. So I do have some doubles, which is fine, which is really cool. This freaking look like Cheerios to me, like that. These make sense as a donut. Like the rest of these don't make sense as a donut. Like I got more mints, which I'm actually excited about. I got more of these. I don't know what candies those are. But then I got more of these interesting donuts. And I got more of the chocolate ones. That one I can fix easily. I like these for some reason for Valentine's Day. And I got this tiny one. And I got 2 more of these pink ones. I don't know, I really like these for some reason. They're just really cute. And I got more of the little hearts. Oh, and another one of those little sprinkles on it. So that is an overview of the 2 sets. Comparing them side by side. So here's an overview of both of the 50-piece sets that I got. So I just wanted to put it all together to show the variety of what you get. And the stickers. So I just received these two of my orders. They'll be added onto the part 2. So I got a purple kit and a all chocolate kit. I will have these linked down below also. So this is the chocolate kit and this is the purple one. So I'm gonna unpack the purple one and show an overview of all of it. So here's an overview of the purple set. I think that's a sunscreen bottle, some whip, a button, some clouds. These are really cute little trays with the bottles and stuff. And that's like a little canister of milk. I have a few of these in different colors. I gotta take my pliers and fix this. These are new. I have a bunch of these now, which is fine. I got more little ice cream scoops. More little, what are these, popsicles? A little puzzle piece. I have no clue what this is. I think it's just chef's hat. Or it might be a muffin, I'm not sure. A game console. I got another little lollipop. These on the sides are macaroons, a little candy thingy. I have a bunch of these already. Another teddy bear, which I was hoping to get. Another gummy bear. Some more of these little babies. Flowers. Some more of these. A bunch of these mermaid tails. And ice creams and more mermaids. So I can't wait to add this to my collection. So this is an overview of all the ones that came in the chocolate kit. So I'm gonna do close-ups. We got some coffee beans, a chocolate heart, buttons, like a chocolate pretzel, a coffee drink, more of the little sweets, some chocolate waffles. I guess this is supposed to be like a side of a macaroon, some donuts, and then I got some ice creams, smaller pieces of chocolate. I gotta trim and fix these little ice cream cones. And then I got this little, I guess it's like a dollop or ice cream cone topper. And I got some popsicles, some cookies, more popsicles, cupcakes, this delicious coffee sign, and then some pieces of like chocolate and cake, these little milk chocolates, the chocolate pretzels, pieces of chocolates. These two individual look like they're bitten out of, and these little cookies, and then just more little ice cream scoops, and these little Oreos. So that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Everything is linked down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.